Howdy folks, you're watching Deuce, and today I could not get my Deuce and a half started. Now obviously I did get it figured out because I'm driving it here. So today I'm going to demonstrate how an ounce of prevention could have kept me from spending a pound of cure that it took to get this girl started. Always keep a can of this in your Deuce. Boy, I made a mess. It is amazing how quickly wasps will build something. They're taken care of now, though. No one has ever explained to me why we need wasps. Twist those contacts. I've now mic'd up because starting a Deuce and a half today has become more involved than I expected. As you saw, I flicked the on switch and I got the buzzer, which means I have plenty of power. But then the second I hit the start button, everything just shut down. 99.9% of the time, that is a battery contact issue. And that happens all the time because if you saw, I just put down the bridge connector between the two batteries and you just go about my day. But sometimes corrosion will seep in between the battery post and the connector. So we're gonna go ahead and just twist those around a little bit and see if we can get some pixies going through the system. Now, these are on tight, but if I can just get them twist around a little bit just to get them to make contact with everything. There we go. These bad boys back here is what usually happens here. That's usually the culprit. It's back here. Oh, this bad boy is not wanting to budge at all. At least we got power now. Uh-oh. Okay, well that should not be loose like that. So let's do something about that one. I need to just replace these too. Yeah, that is an issue. I need to go ahead and tighten that up. It's been arcing right there. So that is an issue. So I can fix that. Nope, just rounding off the nut. That's exactly what we need. Of course, I'm trying not to hit the other terminal. As a temporary fix, I zip tied the terminal kind of together. We'll see if that at least helps. Oh. Now we got smoke. Okay, that time we got some smoke from that particular battery post, so we know that's the issue. So we're gonna have to replace them. Okay, well I jumped on down to the local gas station / grocery store / hardware store / gun store. Yes, it is a thing, and I love it. Grab me some terminals here if I can get that out of the sunlight. Come on, Canon, figure something out there. There we go. And a hacksaw, and I started hacking away that bolt that's rusted shut. And then I remembered, wait a second, I have bolt cutters. Will that work? I have no, but let's find out before I spend an hour using this little stupid thing. Hallelujah. Boom, here we go. Yeah, like I said, I can melt that down and make bullets out of it. I hate the fact that I have these at the house. I just hadn't got around to fixing it yet. That's the way it always goes, though. Every tool's a hammer. All right, that's not ideal, but close enough. I'll have to have a washer for that, but beggars can't be choosers. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you go from a quick 10 to 15 minute drive from one side of the farm to the other to almost taking an hour and a half. The ownership of a Deuce and a half is not unlike the ownership of a classic car. Things go wrong all of the time. You have to have your toolkit ready to go. Usually the fixes are simple. These things are stupid simple. But there's a lot of stupid simple things that can go wrong. But the vast majority of issues that involve a non-start where you hit the button and suddenly the buzzer goes off, or you have no power going to the cabin at all, it's almost always an electrical issue as far as a lost ground or lost connection to the battery. Well guys, that's for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like and go subscribe. A lot more is on the way. If you have any comments, questions, or show it is, leave that in the comment box of the video. I'll try to do as many as possible. And as always, you guys have a great day. See ya.